On January 10, 2025, officers received multiple reports of a vehicle driving erratically. They later located the vehicle at a gas station.
Hello, Officer Rogers, Springfield Police Department, driver license, proof of insurance. Any reason why I'm stopping you today?
No.
No? Got reports that you were all over the road. You almost hit another vehicle, and I see you coming down the middle of 143rd.
Studio microphone right off the bat. This is a critical moment. The officer lays out the reason for the stop: erratic driving, nearly hitting another vehicle, and drifting across lanes. That's not a minor traffic violation. That's a public safety threat. And then comes the first red flag: texting while driving. Now, let's be real. Texting alone can explain distraction, but it doesn't explain everything the officer is seeing here. So the question becomes, is there
any reason you were driving like that today?
No, I was texting.
You were what?
I was texting.
You were texting?
Yeah.
Had anything to drink today?
No.
Nothing at all?
No.
So if you were to submit to a preliminary breath test, you'd blow zeros, right?
Yeah.
Where are we coming from?
I'm coming from my mom's.
Coming from your mom's house?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, hold on to that, all right?
Smell like anything or no?
I got like a whiff in the car of it, but she seems like she's a little slow too. She was coming down the middle of 143rd when I saw her. She got called in as a reckless, got called in, almost hit another vehicle. I got a little bit of it in the car, not like anything much, but she also seems like she's a little like slow. So I might run her through fields here. I don't know if there's a spot in Shell that we can walk in there and see, but I'll see if he wants this and wants to do fields on her. If not, I'm gonna do fields.
All right,
I'll probably bring her inside. She's got a kid in the back, so
yeah,
I might.
She's got a kid in the back. That's all right.
So I might have to have you stay with the kid and just stay with my squad out here.
That's fine.
Can you go ask her for her insurance again? Let me know if you smell anything, because she was still looking for it.
Do you mind if we see her insurance again?
I think it's my insurance.
Yeah,
Hold on, Mom.
we've got to check and see. He gave it to you? Or you gave it
I
to him?
gave it to him.
Does he still have it?
Yes, he still have it.
What
It's
is
full coverage.
this?
This is something else. This might be where he can take this too. I have insurance on this vehicle.
Okay. Yeah, we just wanted to check and see. Alrighty, sounds good. Just sit tight for us, okay?
Okay.
Hey, unless you want to do fields, I'm going to try and bring her in Shell and do it. I just thought I'd offer it to you. It's been a while for me. Okay. Otherwise, I'll run her inside in the Shell. I'm probably going to have him stay here with the kids. Do you want this, me to help you, or you want me to do it?
Oh, I can do it. Connor, do you want to do this? Is your call?
Go ahead.
I think he's getting off.
Yeah, I'm getting off, so you guys go ahead. I could, hey.
studio microphone? Now this is where the situation escalates. One officer confirms they can smell alcohol. That changes everything. At this point, the stop shifts from a routine traffic investigation into a potential DUI case. And legally speaking, that odor gives officers probable cause to conduct field sobriety tests. But here's what makes this moment more intense. There's a child in the back seat. That instantly raises the stakes. If impairment is confirmed, this isn't just a DUI anymore. It could become child endangerment. So ask yourself.
I could smell some.
Okay.
So, it's FYI.
I'll have you do it then, and then I will help you. If you're comfortable with it. I have it for improper lane, so I can do that.
Hello? Jalissa?
Yes.
Alright, man, I'm going to have you step out real quick, okay? Talk out here. How old is your child in the back?
6?
6? Okay.
Yes. I was taking him to the house.
Okay. Alright, gotcha. Just have you step out real quick, alright? So, how much more have you been drinking? Because I see you got that container right there.
Not much.
Okay. Alright, so
Hold on.
you had that. Just hang up the phone right now, okay?
Yeah, but I have a disability, so I need my mom to be on the phone with me.
Okay. So how much have you had to drink?
There's not much in there.
Okay, we had that though. What else?
That's it.
Let's step over.
Can you hang up the phone
But
for us,
I
please?
need my mom on the phone. I have a disability.
You have
All
a
right.
disability?
Yeah. Hey, Mama,
What disability do you have?
I have a learning disability.
Gotcha. What learning disability do you have?
All I know is a learning disability.
All right, Jaleesa. So I'm gonna have you do put these. Can I have these documents you have in your hand, please?
Here you go.
All right. Let me see. want to go inside the shell?
Mom, can you get up and
Yeah,
run
we'll go
and try to
Yeah.
move?
Hey, Jaleesa, we're gonna go inside the shell.
We're gonna walk inside the shell, okay? I want you to stay warm.
You're.
Okay, my son is
Yeah,
not that.
we got an officer right here.
Yep.
Another officer over here. So how much you had to drink today?
Not that much.
Not how much is not that much.
One shot and that.
One shot of what?
99 watermelon.
One shot of 99 watermelon, and then you had that. Was that Mike's Hard?
My card.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you had both of those things today.
Yeah.
We can call. Here's it. We'll call her back. We'll call her
We're
back.
gonna call her back.
No, because I have a disability.
That's okay.
And I want my mom to get what I'm
Okay.
doing and what it's worth.
Okay, she's on the way. Okay, so just hang up the phone right now.
I don't know what to do about the little guy in the back seat.
How old is he?
I don't know.
Studio microphone. This is one of the most complex parts of the encounter. The driver mentions having a learning disability and needing her mother on the phone. Now legally, officers must ensure the person understands instructions, but that doesn't stop the investigation. Field sobriety tests still proceed unless there's a clear medical reason preventing them. But here's the tension. Is she genuinely struggling to understand, or is this hesitation raising further
I
suspicion?
haven't talked to him at all. He's not even buckled in either. It's just like part, so.
Okay.
Y'all don't
All right,
understand.
so-
I have a disability.
No, I understand. That's why I'm talking things through with you. So you said you had a shot of watermelon 99. Okay. And then you had the Mike's Hard?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Are you diabetic?
No, not that.
No,
I know
no
of
diabetic?
anyway.
Okay. Now, do you have any problems with your knees, hips, back?
Nope.
No, any recent surgeries?
Knees, as far as knees, because I got in a car accident 21, 22 maybe.
Okay. Do you have anything diagnosed for them? Anything for the knee?
I'm
knee problems?
showing the other car for my knees.
Okay, but anything diagnosed?
No.
No? They just have knee pain?
Knee pain.
Okay,
yeah.
gotcha. How about hips?
No hips.
Back?
Nope.
Any recent surgeries?
Nope.
Okay. So what I'm gonna have you do, I'll make you do some tests real quick, just make sure you're gonna drive. If everything's okay, we'll send you about your way. Okay? Alright, what you're gonna do, you're gonna look at the tip of my pen with your eyes, and your eyes only. You're gonna follow the tip of this pen with your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you follow it.
Okay.
Make sure you follow it, okay? No, follow the tip of my pen.
And I do have eye problems. I'm car-sighted and everything else.
Okay.
And I do have cataracts in my eye.
Okay, alright, I'll take everything in consideration. Just keep looking at the pen, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so for this next set of tests that I'm gonna have you do, is just imagine there's a straight line here. Actually, you might be able to use this line. Use this line right here. Okay, so whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can turn around?
Do you remember what I instructed you to do?
Yeah, I remember
Okay,
that.
yeah,
I
just follow the instructions,
I
okay?
just want to make sure I can turn around. That's all.
Yeah, just follow the instructions how you remember, okay?
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Studio microphone. Watch closely here. This is where field sobriety tests become crucial evidence. These tests aren't random. They're standardized and designed to detect impairment through balance, coordination, and divided attention. But here's the catch. They also require clear understanding of instructions. And that's where things get murky. She repeatedly brings up her difficulty with math and comprehension, which could
11, 8, 9.
Done?
Yes,
Okay.
I did. Because I got a disability and I have a disability of math too. So,
Okay. Alright, so I'm not gonna have you do any math equations today, so we don't have to worry about that, okay?
alright.
Alright, so for this next test, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your heels together, like I'm doing. Put your hands at your side. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna raise either foot, left or right, in front of you, approximately 6 inches from the ground. Okay? The foot you raise is gonna maintain parallel with the ground. You're gonna look down at that foot and you're gonna count out in this manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, until I tell you to stop. So no, you understand it?
Can I do a practice? Because
So-
I wanna make sure I'm getting this right. Because I just said I'm not good with math.
So no,
Can y'all please?
we don't do practices
not-
for the test.
I know
That's
y'all
why I'm
don't
asking you if you have any
practice,
questions, and I demonstrated for
Okay,
you.
so just demonstrate again. One
Do
more
you
time.
do you understand the instructions
A
though?
little bit, yeah.
Okay, well, what don't you understand?
You said hold the foot up for 1,010?
No, until I tell you to stop.
No,
But
I know that, but I'm saying up to 1,000 from 1 to 10.
no, so you're gonna keep counting in that manner until I tell you to stop.
1,001 to
1001,
'Cause I'm not good at
1002,
math.
1003,
So I'm letting y'all
1004. Okay, but do you understand that part now?
Yeah, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. Okay.
Until I tell you to stop. Okay, you're gonna keep counting. All right,
With just one leg.
like I demonstrated.
Yeah, with
Yeah.
one leg.
Yeah, you're gonna raise one leg, one foot in front of you.
Okay.
Do you understand my instructions?
That's why I'm asking questions.
No, that's
You just asked me to ask questions.
I demonstrated
so,
for you.
So you let me?
Like you what?
I'm just asking. So me doing this and looking down, that's what you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but make sure you're counting out loud in the manner that I told you to,
Okay.
and you're gonna keep the foot you raise parallel with the ground. Maintain both your legs straight. Okay. All right. So whenever you're ready, you can start the test. Okay.
Yep. Just let you know.
Just start the test whenever you're ready.
1,001, 1,002.
Make sure you look at your foot.
Oh, I ain't looking at my feet. See? That's why I was trying to make sure. Okay. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,010, 1,011, 1,012, 1,013.
Or you can stop. Okay. So you had one shot. You said you had one shot, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how long ago was that? And the mic's hard?
My God.
Okay. How long ago was the shot?
Hour or two ago, that was about like an hour or so ago.
So were you drinking the mic's hard as you were driving?
No, not as I was driving, I drank as much as I could before I started.
Oh, before you started driving, then you just placed it in the car? Okay. So I got one more test. This is a breathalyzer test. So if you're saying you only had one shot about 2 hours ago, it's going to show that, okay? Alright. So I'm going to go get that real quick.
Here's your phone.
I'll be right back. Alright. Alright. So for this final test, alright, what you're going to do, you're going to wrap your lips around the straw.
Hold on.
Okay.
But can we leave? We can't leave to my mom yet. I want to make sure.
Okay, yes, we
my
will.
mom
Okay.
get here.
We
Yes,
will. We will
we
bring
will.
her outside
We
and we will show you.
Okay?
I just want to make sure she get here with,
Yes.
with her grandson.
I understand that.
Yes. Alright. She's on her way, okay?
I know, but she was at work.
She's coming.
She shouldn't have
She
to deal
is
with all
coming.
this. I don't want to get behind nothing till she get my baby.
Okay.
Let's do this so you can get back to your intake. Talk to your son, okay?
Okay? Alright, so whenever you're ready. Keep going. Okay, stop. We gotta redo it.
Yeah. Just write it out a little.
Yeah.
Go.
You gotta keep blowing. It's gotta be consistent.
See, you telling, you explaining.
Okay.
I'm
You're gonna.
playing.
You're.
So he just said just blow it, not.
Right. We're just trying to make sure you understand. You're gonna wrap your lips around it, okay? And you're gonna continually to blow like this.
I thought I was supposed to hold it, see? I thought I was supposed to hold it. So I'm
Okay.
trying to do right.
And then he'll tell you when to stop, okay?
You gotta keep blowing.
See, that's what I don't not understand.
So what you're doing is you're doing one big blow and then you're stopping right away. So it's gotta be continuous blow. You
I
gotta.
did it wrong still.
You move back. You let the straw go out of your mouth. That's why it restarted.
I don't know how to do this. This is my first time doing it, so I don't know.
All right, so whenever you're ready.
Studio microphone, and here it is, the turning point. After multiple attempts, the breath test finally registers a result, 0.184. That's more than double the legal limit in most states. At this level, impairment isn't just suspected, it's legally established. And now, everything changes instantly. The officer moves in for the arrest, and the reality of the situation hits hard. But what makes this moment even more emotional is her reaction.
No. Keep going, keep going. There you go. Got it. Thank you.
Right back, but
Yeah. All right. So you are a .184. Ma'am, put your hands behind your back, please. You are going to be placed under arrest for DUI, all right?
We're gonna make sure your mom picks up your son, okay?
You
can talk to him too.
Can we make sure of that?
Yeah, we'll make sure of it. We'll make sure your son's okay, all right?
I gotta call my mom.
Yeah, you'll have a chance to call her, okay? We're heading down to the police station. It's right down the road.
Okay, that's fine. But can I call my mom?
Yeah, when we get there, we'll be able to call her.
Okay.
Don't worry about that.
I don't want my son left by himself.
No. We have officers here.
I don't see my mom's car yet. I need my mom. I don't see her car yet. Can y'all call her? I need my mom. Can I get my mom? Can we not leave here till my mom get here, please? Can we not leave till my mom get here, please? Can y'all let her know she could just come get me from here? Did y'all let her know?
We told her everything, okay?
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Take a deep breath.
Studio microphone, this case is a powerful reminder of how quickly a situation can escalate. What started as a reckless driving report turned into a DUI arrest with a blood alcohol level of 0.184 and, more importantly, a child in the vehicle, leading to an added charge of child endangerment. Legally, the officers followed protocol, establishing probable cause, conducting field sobriety tests, and confirming impairment through a breathalyzer. But beyond the law, this case raises bigger questions about responsibility, decision-making, and the real-world consequences of impaired driving. One choice can ripple outward, impacting not just the...
I just want to make sure.
The woman was charged with DUI and child endangerment.